we're doing a quick BEV Jaecoo 5 0 to 60 test, just to see if there is actually any difference between the three modes. So on the screen, you've obviously got the Eco, the normal, and then the sport modes. 3, 2, 1, go. That's 48, 50, 51, 52, 60.
There you are. 8 seconds, 8.11 seconds.
8.11 seconds.
Eco mode.
Ah. Okay. Let's just wait for this car. We'll turn it round. That's connected to normal. Are you ready on the stopwatch, Natalie?
Oh, no, I'm not.
Normal. Right, here we go.
All right, tell me when.
3, 2, 1, go. A lot more wheel spin that time.
Yeah, big time. You can hear it.
It's 41, 47, 50. Stop.
7.34.
7.34.
That was quicker.
Yeah.
Was that normal? Was that sport?
That was normal.
Ah. Eco mode, what are you doing? Right, so it's currently 8.11 for eco mode and 7.34 for normal mode. Let's see if sport is any better.
Finally, let's stick it into sport mode. Okay.
Let me get my stopwatch ready.
Okay.
All right, whenever you're ready.
I'm ready. 3, 2, 1, go.
Whoa, that immediately felt like quicker.
36, 50, stop.
6.83.
6.83.
6.83.
So there is a noticeable difference then between them.
Only like a second each, but
yeah.
But yeah, sport mode
is the winner.
Sport mode's the winner. Normal in the middle and eco at the end.
As it you'd expect.
Yeah.
Cool. Just a quick one today then. So that was a quick speed test. So yeah, it does make a difference. I tend to stick in eco mode in all honesty. So it was Eco 0 to 60 and 8.11 I was getting, normal 7.34 and sport 6.83. I mean, it's no BYD 3.8 seal, is it? But it's plenty fast enough, you know. I find that pulling out at junctions and stuff keeps up straight away with a car that's just pasture, you know, so I've got no quibbles. Anyway, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and join us again soon for another update.